Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to learn a real fun one called Outlaw to the song Whiskey Drinkin'. And it has a lot of stomps with your boots and variations. So you can have a lot of fun and be very creative if you like. And if you don't want to, you can just do the choreography. So we're going to start. Please click subscribe and give it a thumbs up and any comments that you have. Let's start Outlaw. It's 32 counts, 4 walls. So we start facing our 12 o'clock wall with our right foot, and we do a variation of stomps. So it's right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. Then we do the same thing on the left. Left, right, left, right, left. Fun, huh? Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's the first 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And a variation, modification if you like. People do twists, and they do all sorts of fun stuff. For now, I'm going to teach you the stomps, and then you can vary it however you want and have a lot of fun and be really creative to Outlaw. So the first 8, starting with the right foot, is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time, and then we'll move on. First 8 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Then we do a rocking chair. The second 8 begins with a rocking chair. Right, step left, right, step left, and then 2 half turns. So let's go over that. So we rock right, back, rock right to the back. We make a rocking, it's like a rocking chair, and then 2 half pivot turns. Step, half pivot, step, half pivot. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's try that one more time with words and then with counts. So the second 8 starts with a rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. I was going to do it with words. So with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock front, rock back. Step, half pivot, step, half pivot. One more time from the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock front, rock back, half pivot, half pivot. Good. Okay, counts. From the second 8 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's put those first 2 8s together, starting with the right foot and our stomps. So with words, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Rock, rock, turn, turn. Okay, with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's move on. So we just did our 2 half pivot turns after the rocking chair. We're going to do a quarter to the 9 o'clock wall, a quarter step with our right foot because we're going to start a grapevine. So we're going to go step, behind, step, touch. 2 grapevines. Then we go left, behind, left, touch. Good. So we just did our half turn. We're facing the 12 o'clock wall. We need to do a quarter step with the right foot. Step, grapevine, step, grapevine. Good. All right. So we do our 2 grapevines. Then we go back 4 steps with a touch. So we go with the right foot. So we just did grapevine, and grapevine. Go back, 2, 3, touch. Good. Okay, we just did our quarter turn, quarter turn. Now we're going to keep turning. We just did our 2 half turns. Now we're going to do a quarter. Step behind step. A quarter turn to start the grapevine. Finish another grapevine to the left. Go back. Good. Last 4 counts going forward. And this is where there's lots of variations. Some people go down and come back up. Some people do the pony step. So you have lots of variations, lots of fun. I'm going to teach you the easiest one, and then you can be creative after that. So I'm just going to go step together, step together, step together, step. Good? So let's try it from our third 8, which is a grapevine. So we just did our 2 half turns. Now we are going to start a grapevine, but we want to face that wall, so we're going to do a quarter step with the right, step behind step, touch, step, another grapevine. Then we go back, then we go forward, doing all sorts of fun variations, whatever you like. I'm probably just going to go steps together. So let's try it from, let's put the counts with it. So we just did our half turn, half turn. We're going to quarter to the left and start the grapevine to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, 2, 3, 4. Go forward, 6, 7, 8. And make sure you end 8 on your left foot so you can start with your right foot doing your stomps to this wall. So let's try the last 2 8s again. So we finish here with our half turn. We're going to do a grapevine to the right with a quarter turn. Grapevine to the right. Good. Grapevine to the left. Go back. And forward. Good. So I'm just going to do step together, step together. So let's count it. So we just did 2 half turns. This begins our third 8 with a grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And again, there's lots of variations on that one. It's real fun. So let's try it from the top with words and then with counts. So outlaw. We're going to start with our right foot and do our syncopated step stomps. Our stomps. Fun, fun, fun. So we're going to start with our right foot, and I'll do the words first. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Rocking chair and pivot, pivot, and grapevine. And grapevine. Go back, go forward, roping. Okay, let's try it again with count, now with counts, and then we'll keep going on that wall. So from the top with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we'll do this wall. It's 4 walls, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. And we're going to start with our syncopated stomps. So we'll do it with counts this time, facing our 9 o'clock wall. 9 o'clock wall. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rocking chair. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. It's a fun one with the music. So, shall we try it? Should we try it with music? Let's try it. So, there's an introduction. I'll let you know when to start. whiskey drinking. Outlaw. We get to stomp, rope, right foot ready, facing your front wall, 12 o'clock wall.
I'm a chain-smoking, whiskey-drinking son of a bitch. If you wanna roll with us, you gotta do it like this. One step, two stepping down on the floor. Then you pop, lock it.
Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4, rock. Turn, turn. Grapevine. Grapevine. Go back. Rope. Fun. Grapevine. Grapevine. Go back. Rope. Rock. Half pivot. Grapevine. Grapevine. Go back. Rock. Turn, turn, grapevine, grapevine, go back. Go back. Isn't that fun? You have to stomp, rope, and add all sorts of creative things if you like. Go down, come back up. Outlaw. Enjoy. Click subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Come back. I have lots more coming up. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a great day.